Rainforests are Earth's lungs, but we're losing them faster than ever. Illegal logging, mining, and unsustainable practices continue, unchecked. Become a certified rainforest conservation auditor with CDG. Learn rainforest regulations, conservation auditing, environmental laws, and sustainability assessments. Ideal for environmentalists, NGOs, forest officers, and green consultants. Study anytime, from anywhere. Get a globally recognized certificate. Your audits can drive real change in forest protection worldwide. Join the movement? Visit www.cdgtraining.com and become a certified rainforest conservation auditor today.